no comment, but as we said earlier, let us not, I agree with Secretary Medellez's comment that we should not preempt the president. The president knows what he's going to do.
So what will the president do, sir?
Then let's see. The basis for any action of the president is people's interest.
Napag-usapan ba ito sa cabinet meeting
No.
kagabi, sir?
Hindi na pag-usapan. Yun lang mga sinabi ko.
Okay, last question na. Joseph?
Sir, follow up on the pork barrel. No, as a
Pork
matter
barrel.
of concept and principle, does the palace agree with the power of Congress, and they've done it in this budget, to allocate for themselves lump sum funds?
What we recognize is the power of Congress to amend, to review and to amend, and to do whatever it feels is correct, necessary, and right. We leave it to them. Now, if the president feels that it's wrong, then he can use his bit of power to correct it.
So, sir, yun pong, kasi the NEP already allocated 100 million for each congressman, no? And then, according to Senator Lacson, Speaker Arroyo added some, maybe 50 or 60 million to each congressman. What do you think of it, sir?
Di ba, ever since sinasabi ko, I cannot even understand why the fuss of all this. Kasi when you allocate for a particular district, that means that district, the reasonable assumptions, they need it. So, ang importante kay Presidente, gagamitin mo ba yan sa pangangailangan ng distrito mo o kukurakutin mo lang yan? May problema tayo pag ganyan na. So sa akin, I think wala rin ako makita ng problema eh.
But we have
Precisely, districts need money to improve itself. Ano namang masama doon kung meron silang mga pondo? Ang problema doon kung hindi mo gagamitin. O kaya nga nagkakaroon ng mga demandahan.
Yes, sir, but we have a Supreme Court ruling outlawing lump sum discretionary allocations.
Di ba yung sabi ng Supreme Court, yung pag hindi pa nailagay sa
Pre-enactment.
budget. Oo. Eh kung nailagay na, di ba parang ang sinasabi nila, nandun na, nire-allocate lang nila. In other words, meron ng dati. So hindi papasok sa doktrina ng Korte Suprema.
So ito pong 150 na sabi ni Ping, this is not pork from the palace perspective? As defined by the Supreme Court?
As defined by the Supreme Court, baka hindi papasok yun.
Na?
Kasi the Supreme Court said, pork would refer dun sa allocation na wala sa budget. Nilagay mo lang. But in this particular case, sinasabi ni Senator Lacson na dati nang meron, pero nire-distribute lang. So, paano papasok?
No, sir. In the decision, there are 4 kinds, no? Yun pong dinidiscuss nyo would be a function of when the budget was allocated, pre and post, no? Maybe pre, pwedeng lusot. But there's also letter C, I think, from the decision, lump sum discretionary funds, meaning 100 million na budget. Let's apply it to the allocation of Senator Lacson. 100 per plus 50 from Speaker Arroyo, and they themselves identified. That's what's prohibited in letter C of the decision of the court, sir.
I will repeat what I said earlier. The president is a lawyer.
Okay.
He knows his law. If he thinks that that is in violation of the doctrine enunciated by the Supreme Court, then he will do what is right.